Hey, are you a YouTuber and struggling with topics like what to make next, what to do? Then this video is for you. Hello amigos, my name is Imanshu. You are watching Get Assist, and in today's video, we are going to learn how to get topics for your next YouTube video. I'll be giving you 7 best tips that from where you can pick up your next best and trending topic for your next YouTube video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. At number 1, answerthepublic.com. Guys, you can sign up on this site and search for 3 topics as per your daily limit. Like I'm searching smartphone. It gave me these many results, and the darker side is more search ones and the lighter ones are the lesser ones. And see this, they are also using WH family like what, where, how, so that it clears you more. Then on this tab you can get related and similar topics too, like these ones. Also, you can go down there and you'll be finding endless topics in alphabetical order, as you can see on your screens. At number 2, you all use Google, and Google itself has its own collection of trending news at Google News, and it also has a feature of filtering it, from where you can choose the category of your channel. Like if you are having a tech-based channel, go to technology. If you have any political related channel, then go for political one, entertainment, and many more. It will be showing you 2-3 articles of the same topic with real-time posting hours. Next, we have Pinterest, the ocean of ideas and topics. But I have an additional information for you. Whenever we search something, we can see a graph over here, which is actually showing it's trending or not. By tapping on the graph, you'll get the exact stats about it. So it will gonna definitely help you. 4th one, we all use ChatGPT endlessly for endless number of works. But so why can't we directly ask ChatGPT to give us some topics? Yes, you can. And the best part is it's a two-way communicator. So you can modify and research again and again and again until you are satisfied. Next one, Twitter trends. Just open up your X account and start searching for trending hashtags. If you find something you can use for your channel, start researching on it and make a video. Next one, we all use either Reels or TikTok, and these are trend setting apps. All you have to do is just take your phone and scroll and swipe and scroll and swipe until you find out what's happening out there in this world and just get that topic. Before moving forward to our last tip, I have something for you more. If you want to make money on X, I have made a dedicated video on that topic. You can check it out here, and this video will surely be worth watching. Do check it out. Moving on to the best and the last one. It's trends.google.com. Yes, you have heard it right. Google Trends is the best analytical tool to find you your next video's title. Just open up your browser and search Google Trends site. Go there and go to this filter and choose YouTube. Then you can filter more by adding your target audience or targeted country. Then this filter tells you how fresh the topic is and add your channel's category here. Then simply search what you are looking for it. Like I am literally writing how to, and here it is. You can see related topics, searches, trends, keywords, and many more analytics as per your filters. That's all for this video. I'm sure all these platforms gonna help you a lot while choosing your next video's topic. If you find this video informative and useful, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and definitely share it with your friends and comment down the topic for next video. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, keep watching Get Assist.